Question number 5. For each of the following numbers, find the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied so as to get a perfect square number. Also find the square root of the square number so obtained. See first part. It is 252. Here find out prime factors of 252. Divided by 2, I will get 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 4, 2 6 ja 12. Again by 2, 2 6 ja 12, 2 3 ja 6. Now by 3, 3 2 ja 6 and 3 1 ja 3. Again by 3, it is 3 7 ja 21. Again by 7 1. Therefore 252 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. Here make pairs of 2. Here these two are paired, but 7 is not paired. It means we require 1 7 more. It means 7 is the smallest number by which it should be multiplied to get a perfect square. Therefore, we can say that 7 is the smallest number by which (252) must be multiplied to get a perfect square number. Therefore, required number will be 252 into 7. Therefore, square root of 252 into 7 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. Make pairs of 2. It will be 1764 equal to 2 into 3 into 7, that is 2 3 ja 6 7 ja 42. This is your square root. Therefore, your answer is 7 and 42. Now come to second part. Second part is 180. Now find out prime factors of 180. Divided by 2, it will be 2 9 ja 18, 0. Again by 2, you will get 45. Again by 3, 3 1 ja 3 5 ja 15. Then again by 3, it is 3 5 ja 15. then by 5 you will get 1. Therefore 180 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Here make pairs of 2. Here we are unable to make pair of this 5. It means one more 5 is required to make it a perfect square. So what is the smallest number? It is 5. Therefore 5 is the smallest number by which (180) must be multiplied to get a perfect square number. Therefore required number equal to 180 into 5. Let us find out square root of this number. The square root of 180 into 5, it can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. So 180 into 5, it is 900. The square root of 900 equal to, here make pairs of 2 and take one number from each pair. You will get 2 into 3 into 5, that is 2 3 is 6, 5 is 30. Therefore your answer is, the smallest number is 5 and square root of required number it is 30. Now come to next. Now come to third part. It is 1008. Now find out prime factors of 1008. Divided by 2, it is 2 5 is 10, 0, 2 4 is 8, again by 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 5 is 10, into again by 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 6 is 12, again by 2, 2 6 is 12, 2 3 is 6, then by 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 1 is, again by 3, it is 3 7 is, again by 7 you will get 1. Therefore 1008 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. Now make pairs of 2. Here we can make pairs of this, but we are unable to make pair of this 7. it means 1 7 is missing. Therefore, we can say that 7 is the smallest number by which 1008 must be multiplied to get a perfect square number. Therefore, required number equal to 1008 multiplied by 7. Let us find out the square root of this number. Square root of 1008 into 7, this can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7 within the square root. Here multiply 1008 by 7, it will be 7056. The square root of this number will be, here make pairs of 2, it will take one number from each pair, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 7, multiply it, 2 to the 4, 3 the 12, 12 7 the 84. Therefore, your answer is, the smallest number it is 7 and the square root of required number it is 84. Now come to next. Now come to fourth part. It is 2028. Find out prime factors of 2028. Divided by 2, you will get 1 0 1 4. Again divided by 2, you will get 2 5 is 10, 0 2 7 is 14. Then by 3, 3 1 is 3 6 is 18 and 3 9 is 27. Then by 13, 13 13 is 169. Again by 13, you will get 1. Therefore, 2028 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 13 into 13. Here make pairs of 2. Here we are unable to make pair of this 3. Therefore, 3 is the smallest number by which 2028 must be multiplied to get a perfect square number. Therefore, required number equal to 2028 multiplied by 3. Let us find out the square root of this number. The square root of 2028 into 3, this can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 13 into 13, and take a square root of this. Here 2028 into 3, square root of 60 6084 equal to, here make pairs of 2, you will get 2 into 3 into 13, multiply this, 2 3 is 6, 6 into 13 equal to 78. Therefore, your answer is 3 and 78. Now come to next part. Now come to fifth part. It is 1458. Now make prime factors of this number. So divided by 2, 2 7 is 14, 2 2 is 4 and 2 9 is 18. Now it will be divided by 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 4 is 12, 3 3 is 9, again by 3, it is 3 8 is 24, 3 1 is 3, again by 3, it is 3 2 is 6, 3 7 is 21, then again by 3, it is 3 9 is 27, again by 3, it is 3, again by 3, you will get 1. Therefore, 1458 can be written as 2 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Here make pairs of 2. Here we are able to make pair of 3, but here we are unable to make pair of this 2. Therefore, 2 is the smallest number by which 1458 must be multiplied to get a perfect square number. Therefore, required number equal to 1458 multiplied by 2. Now let us find out the square root of this number. It is 1458 into 2. You will get 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 within the square root. Now multiply 1458 into 2, it is 2916 2916. Find out square root of this, make pairs of 2 and take one number from each pair. It will be 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Multiply this, 2 3 is 6, 3 is 18, 18 3 is 54. Therefore, your answer is 2 and 54. Now come to next. Now come to sixth part. It is 768. Now find out prime factors of this number. So divided by 2, it is 2 3 is 6, 2 8 is 16, 2 4 is 8, again by 2, 2 1 is 2 9 is 18, 2 2 is 4, again by 2, it is 2 9 is 18, 2 6 is 12, again by 2, it is 2 4 is 8 and 2 8 is 16, again by 2, it is 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8, again by 2, you will get 12, again by 2, you will get 6, again divided by 2, you will get 3, again by 3, you will get 1. Therefore 768 can be written as 8 times 2, 2 into 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 3. Here make pairs of 2. Here we are unable to make pair of 3. Therefore 3 is the smallest number by which 768 must be multiplied to get a perfect square number. Therefore required number equal to 768 into 3. Let us find out the square root of this number. It is 768 into 3 equal to, it is 2 into 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 3 into 3 within the square root. Now multiply 768 by 3, you will get 2308, 2308 within the square root. Here make pairs of 2 and take one number from each pair and multiply it. It is 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16, 3 to 48. Therefore your answer is 3 and 48. Now come to next question.